Thuggizzle, man. I'm over here at Shrimp and Stuff. This is my favorite meal. It's the flounder. I always get the vegetables with it and the rice, you know what I mean? My team, somebody got the gumbo. Look at it. I'm telling you, man, it's going down. Oh yeah, remember I told y'all about that popcorn shrimp? Yeah. At Galveston, what is it? 61st Street Fishing Pier. So Galveston 61st Street Fishing Pier, right off of the seawall. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah, no doubt, man. Good reviews on there, so y'all make sure y'all check them out. She got me set up with squid. I can catch, you know, whatever out there with it. I mean, a shark can pull up.
Oh yeah, yeah. We've been catching bonnethead sharks all day.
What do they call?
Bonnethead?
Bonnethead sharks.
Bonnethead's like a hammerhead, but his head is a little bit rounded instead of straight across.
That. So we
got one in my net earlier.
So you said from here we need to go to the base station, kind of defrost this, and then get it, cut it and get it loaded.
That's right.
All right. And what was your name again, Mom?
Misty.
Misty. Hey, I appreciate Misty. Yeah, she said she's been following. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna go out there and see what we got going on. Thank you, Misty.
You're welcome. Y'all good luck.
Got the frosted there, see that squid, you know what I'm saying? You know, when you fishing and stuff, you know, I don't even fishing like that, so I ain't really got much I can tell y'all. So I'm just defrosting this right now, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna cut it open. And she said put like 1/4-inch pieces on it. Honestly, I think it should be much the ferocity right now.
How many you want to drink?
Okay, so we got that. We're gonna stick the hose right back in there. Right, a knife. Cut this open there. Like that, you know what I'm saying? We'll even use, you know, the head as one, right? Stick those in there. Come on, boo, stand by. I'm gonna go ahead and load these up. I don't even know if I cut that over. That shit gonna sink the first fucking cast.
My freaking was right there.
That shit gonna sink the first cast. I can just see it going away. Thuggizzle, man. I'm out here in Galveston, Texas. Check it out. And it looks like, you know, the tide is like real high because last night it came up to the wall, as you can see. And a lot of these, you know, jellyfish here have been popping up. And they still alive. You get what I'm saying? They look dead, but they still alive. You know what I mean? So don't go trying to pick them up or touch them or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving you a little inside here, you know, up close and personal, but not too close, you know.
A few moments later.
It's your boy Thuggizzle, man. We out here at Batting Cages out in Galveston, Texas. Check it out here. You know, at Batting Cages, you get 10 pitches for $1.75. You know, back in the days when I used to play for the, what was it, the Marlins? Like the little kid league and stuff. Back out there in Converse, man, I could never hit a ball, man. You know what I'm saying? Never was able to hit a ball. So today I'm hoping to get some, you know, get some different results, you know. Over here, we're gonna get our helmet. We're gonna get our bat, right? And we come in here. 65 miles an hour, cage 4. But we gonna start out over here. Start out with this one. It don't have how many miles it says on there, but he told me it's like 40-some miles, 45 miles. Cause look at this one, check it out. This one's 55 miles. But we're gonna go from the 45 miles, we're gonna go from the 45 miles all the way to the 65 miles. So y'all stay tuned, you know. Come on. Oh, let's go. Ah. That was a ball. That was a ball too. It felt so fast, man. Ah! Let's go. Come on. Got me. They got me. They got me. Ah! Boy Thuggizzle, man, we out here in Galveston, Texas. I am at, what's this, Galveston Fishing Pier. Look, it's the long one. So we're gonna go the long way today, you know. Dip out here. They said it's a lot of hammerheads and a lot of sharks out here on this one. So we're gonna see what it do. Hold up. Baited my rod. I just baited my rod with some California squid. Wild caught, which was like $9. Here, brother, get a nigga stuff, man. Look, Jaslyn helped the brother out, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to Jaslyn. You on Thuggizzle TV. Alright, no doubt. Oh, bro, I'm tired as shit. It's your boy Thuggizzle, man. Up in Buc-ee's. First time. It's like a damn grocery store and shit. Yeah. What we gonna do? Cashiers. Pecans, shoes. Almonds. We'll do the almonds. Yeah, almonds. We got pulled pork over here. Some fucking Quan milk. Thinking they got some chicken strips in this bitch, you know. Some fried chicken sandwiches. I mean, shit. This is what's up. They got a sweets aisle in here and shit, you know what I'm saying? Get some sweets and shit. Buc-ee's got about 100 employees working right now. 100 and fudge and shit. Some tiger butter. I don't know about that tiger butter in the motherfucker. Look, they got all kind of shit. Maybe I'll make it home now because I got some sugar and shit in me. Some energy. Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Which ones are the best ones?
You want to try them?
Yeah. Cause I mean I know y'all got 3 different ones, so I'm like, yo, which one's the best, you know?
Have you tried any?
No, I have not.
Okay.
It's my first time at Buc-ee's, and I'm vlogging for YouTube.
Well, welcome to the largest Buc-ee's in the United States.
Oh, this is the largest in the United States? Oh, shit. How much? How many square feet?
I don't know
Oh, you
the
don't know?
exact amount. I
Look,
just
look
know
what she
that
gave me.
per square. Those are pecans.
Mmm.
And we have them in a coating of vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon.
Vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon.
These are your almonds.
Not almonds.
And then these here are my favorite, which are your cashews.
First time.
Alrighty.
Look at this. And why are these your favorite?
I just prefer them.
Okay.
Yeah, I like cashews. In fact, I'm getting ready to start some a new
Look.
batch of cashews and almonds right now.
Oh, okay.
What'd you think?
Yeah, they're all good.
Now, each one of those bags is about $5, but we have what you call a trio. It has all 3 of them if you like them. If you go to the Texas Roundup sign, follow it around to the left and look down, that's $9.98. You get all 3.
Are they hot like this?
No, they're not.
Oh, that sucks.
But you could put them in a little napkin and warm them up. Also got a lid to keep them fresh.
Yeah, this is so damn good.
Yeah?
Hey, y'all, come here. Y'all got to come try this. You don't mind being on my YouTube, right?
Well, I've never been on a YouTube, but...
Oh, well, you are now. 1 million subscribers. Got Elizabeth in here. Y'all make sure y'all show her love, you know? Nice lady. Chopped brisket sandwich. So chopped brisket sandwich is going to be the most popular. He says he refills this all the time. And they're the same, right? This is just bigger?
Yeah, it's got a brisket on it.
Okay. Yeah. Buc-ee, man. Get you full. You know, you get this with a soda, right? Look, you gonna get you. Yeah. I'll be up in Buc-ee going in. Look at these cinnamon rolls, man. And man, get her on my YouTube. Wait, look at Claire, man, you know? Got Eugenio on here. Y'all make sure when y'all up in here, show him some love. Give him a card so he knows. Y'all on Thuggizzle TV. Yep. How y'all doing? They said they making jerky cups. Where can I find them at?
Right here outside.
Hey, this the biggest Buc-ee's right in the world? Damn right. That's why we gotta vlog it. They said they making jerky cups. Oh, this is that thing man was talking about. Where you can get the different ones and it's $9. So you can either get these or you can get those right there. But, yeah. They said they over there making jerky cups and stuff, you know. Yeah. My man's with the brisket. Hey, Kater, how many of these you make a day? Like hundreds? Shit. I'm telling you. Do you get tired of eating the food or do you get tired of eating it? Yeah. See? But when you making it every day, you gonna get tired of it. Damn, I done got dark.